Well, this comes after the original charges against Gary Moore were reduced during the trial, his attorney telling us they already considered that a win. The Norfolk Commonwealth's Attorney's Office plans to retry Gary Moore's manslaughter case after the jury couldn't unanimously come to a decision. Moore was accused of killing 33-year-old Roosevelt McKinney and injuring two other people at MacArthur Mall in 2022. Surveillance video revealed during the trial showed a man and a group of others repeatedly approaching Moore and his friend over the course of the day leading up to the shooting. At one point, a fight ensued. Moore told the court after trying to de-escalate the situation, he thought one of the men had a gun. Moore's attorney, Kristen Paulding, says she brought in as much evidence as she could to corroborate his testimony.
I'm the one who got up and showed the jury that Roosevelt McKinney ran outside of the mall and fell next to a truck and ultimately threw his gun underneath that truck.
She believes the Commonwealth made a mistake and misinterpreted the entire situation.
You can see that plainly when Roosevelt McKinney comes in and starts to forcefully take Mr. Johnson's bags.
Moore was originally charged with second-degree murder as well as 2 counts of malicious wounding. However, those charges were reduced to voluntary manslaughter and 2 counts of unlawful wounding during the trial. Moore was the only one initially involved in the situation to testify in court. Paulding says the Commonwealth only called police and forensic witnesses to the stand.
There were 2 individuals, Miss Land and Mr. Quezada, who were shot, who were victims, and they did not come to court to testify. Deontay McKinney did not come to talk about how things started in the Lids or how he called his uncle and told his uncle to go down to the Lids to start this confrontation.
As of right now, there is no set date for a retrial on the voluntary manslaughter charge. Moore's sentencing for the wounding charges is set for October 18th.